Hello guys, welcome back to part 2 of stitching of circular skirt. These are the cutting of my circular skirt. The link of video in which I have done the cutting of this skirt is in the description box. Must check the cutting of circular skirt. Now we will start the stitching of circular skirt. First, this is a lining. First of all, we will apply a stitch over the lining on the bottom of this skirt. Double fold this lining like this, double fold this lining and apply a stitch all over the skirt. This should be done only on the lining and on this fabric. This is my front fabric. I will do the picot over here. If you are not able to do the picot, then you can also use the hemming like this. Double fold your fabric and do the hemming over here. So now after this bottom stitch, I have applied the bottom stitch all over the skirt. Now I will attach the waist of these three fabrics. For attaching these three fabric from waist, this is my main fabric which should be on first layer of my main fabric, then second layer of my cane, and next third layer of this lining. So now I will stitch the waist of these three fabric all together. Now I have attached all these fabrics. You can see. Now after attaching all these fabrics into one, I will make the belt for the waist. Now for waist belt I am using this elastic, and you will need one fabric. Elastic, this is 1.5 inches wide elastic, and the length of the elastic will be your round waist minus 2 inches. My round waist is 28 inches, so the elastic I need is 26 inches. I have marked the point of 26 inches here, and the fabric which I require, the length of this fabric is your round waist plus 15 inches extra, and the width of this fabric is 4.5 inches. And now first you will fold this fabric like this and apply a stitch over here. After folding this fabric, turn your fabric on right side. After this, insert your elastic from one side like this. Insert your elastic. After inserting the elastic, unhold the fabric on this end. On one side, apply a stitch, straight stitch over here. I have applied a stitch on one corner of my elastic, and now with the same process, apply a stitch on second corner. So this is the marking of my second corner. I will apply a stitch over here like this and cut the extra elastic. I have applied a stitch on both ends of my elastic. Now I will apply a stitch in center. In center of my elastic, so that my elastic didn't twist in the fabric. As you can see, I have applied a single stitch in center of my elastic. Attach this elastic from both the ends like this. So now after attaching the elastic, the last step is to attach this elastic with the waist of this skirt. Turn your fabric towards the wrong side. So this is the wrong side. Now I will attach this elastic like this. As you have attached 3 fabrics, now you will attach this elastic like this. Apply a stitch over here. Suppose I have applied a stitch, and when you turn your fabric, then your elastic should look like this. So now I have attached the elastic with the belt of my skirt. You can see my skirt is completed. Hope you all understand this video. Like, share and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.